In this day and age, everyone seems to be in a rush, and that's understandable. Life moves at a rapid pace, and there always seem to be more tasks than hours in the day to complete them. However, there are certain times and certain things can never be rushed. Among those are self-care and maintenance. Even before the visit, I write down health problems I've been having along with tips and information loved ones may have passed on to me or that I've researched for myself. Of course, I prioritize the worst or most pressing issues first. However, I'm not afraid to ask for clarification on smaller details as well. I'll take whatever notes I need to and call the doctor for either a follow-up appointment or a remote consultation as needed. Nevertheless, if I feel as though my concerns aren't being adequately addressed, I may consider seeking a second opinion or switching healthcare providers entirely. This is your health we're talking about, and your health is your wealth. You deserve to have your concerns heard and addressed. You can't afford to be too timid and potentially leave out something that later proves to be life-altering. Don't hesitate to advocate for yourself.